In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Meta Pixel, formerly Facebook Pixel, to your product recommendation quiz in the RevenueHunt app, so you can track leads and custom quiz events directly in your Meta Ads Manager. Step 1. Make sure your Meta Pixel is installed on Shopify first. Head over to your Shopify Admin, Settings, Customer Events. Here, make sure your Meta Facebook Pixel is already connected to your store. If you haven't installed it yet, the easiest way is to use the Facebook and Instagram app by Meta. You can find it by clicking Explore Pixel Apps, then searching for Facebook or Meta. Install the Facebook and Instagram app and follow the steps to integrate it with your store. Step 2. Configure your Meta Pixel and shared data. Once the app is installed, open it and go to Settings. In the Shared Data section, make sure data sharing is set to maximum. This ensures all standard and advanced events from your website and quiz are tracked. Then, under Data Set, select the pixel you want to use for tracking. In my case, I already have a pixel named Skincare Store Pixel. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new data source directly in Meta Events Manager. To do this, open Events Manager, Data Sources, Connect Data, choose Web, click Next, and then create a new data set. Give it a name, for example, Pixel Test 2, and finish the setup. Once created, go back to your Shopify Facebook and Instagram app, refresh the page, and select the new data source from the list. Your store is now connected to the correct Pixel dataset. Step 3. Connect the Meta Pixel to your quiz. Now go back to the RevenueHunt Quizzes app. Open your quiz, go to Settings, Integrations, and find the Meta Pixel integration. Click Activate, then Save. That's it. Your quiz is now linked to the same Meta Pixel that's already tracking your Shopify store. Step 4. Verify your connection. To confirm that events are being tracked correctly, open your online store and make sure your quiz is published. We recommend embedding the quiz on a dedicated page so all Meta events can be clearly tied to that page's URL. Next, go back to your Shopify Admin, Facebook, and Instagram settings. Click on your data set and open it in the Meta Events Manager. If you don't see activity yet, scroll down and click Test Events. Enter your website URL, click Open Website, and interact with your quiz. For example, start answering questions and complete the quiz. You should soon see events such as View Content, Lead, Retake Quiz, and other quiz-related actions. If you see these events appearing in real time, it means your Meta Pixel is successfully tracking quiz data. Step 5. Review and approve custom events. Once your Meta Pixel starts receiving events from the quiz, you'll notice that some are standard events, like View Content, Page View, or Lead, while others are custom events, such as Retake Quiz Action, Email Lead Action. In your Meta Events Manager, you'll see a notification saying, Custom events can be used with ads features. To enable them for advertising, click Review, then acknowledge the information. You'll need to confirm that you're only sending data in compliance with Meta's terms. Next, select both custom events, click Next, and choose Allow Meta to use these events with ads features. This will let you include them in your custom audiences or lookalike audiences for retargeting campaigns. Click Confirm to finalize. Once approved, the warning message will disappear, and your custom quiz events will begin flowing normally into your dataset. Step 6. Using your quiz data in ads. From this point, all quiz interactions, including views, answers, and lead submissions, will be sent to your Meta Pixel. You can use this data to build audiences, track conversions, and measure ad performance with much greater precision. Keep in mind that it can take up to 48 hours for the data to show in the overview. If you'd like to see the full list of tracked quiz events, visit our documentation at docs.revenuehunt.com and search for tracked events. You'll find a complete breakdown of all events and when each one is triggered. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.